Okay, and what we have again, we have the Dewalt Drill with a jack that needs to be replaced, and this time we will try to put the Allen key like this, and we will spin the jack like that, and hope that it will release itself. Okay, now that the drill is slightly in a vise, and I will try to unscrew the jack with the Allen key. Yep, got it. And now we can put a new jack. The new jack now is mounted. I will tighten it and put some force to tighten it on the gear IC. Now releasing it, and we have successfully replaced the jack for the Dewalt Drill.